minua Professor Smart Sapon. As a matter of fact, Korea no many. Hey, Vinia. Na be jina chiro ka ma wuram kra na menchewe.
I'm saying so why you busy kakra ma say. Eso mo meeting ka see bi asema. Air conditioner bomb no nya so keto.
E dan ba ku pem ne e dan so na mi hu mi nia. But any what to say?
Oh, back of here at the Adum. Okay.
Sure. One your direct question who will win, but all your projection na LED said Dr. Bawumia, of course, will win. We are surprised about the margin and the percentage I will do win here.
Good. Back of me that was a pa na me de inchaka sia my busafo a agem 80 and none of pay. Ghana Akoma ye mo bibia achi. Personally, me surprised as those who are surprised. Because me estimate am here ni minano na pointed to so the 8 regions that I said was going to go for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yeah.
Regions ni mu watche na fe emu enumbi ohonomu a na emu abi emu da ho. Na fe emu enan bi ohonomu a na ekofo Dr. Openi Honorable Ken. Agyapong na okata averages na meye bo mu a first 8 na Bekama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and they were going to score an average of 81.9. Second one was around 62 point something, and the third one was 49 point. The Michemu 3 groups, the 17 places in Michemu 3 groups. Overall average, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was going to win with 65%. And to me, for me, say baby I'm a say if you want me here, na me so be win by 65%. Na air connect na on 62%, 61%. You are say finally, I think 61.4% or so. No. Now for me, in any research be or some allowable space, so that if we predict 65, that's about 61. I think say it is in order. Amount for 70-80% only I didn't if it was going to be so. But for me, the 61 or 62%, no. The 2 year cry amount for the Ibiaba figures about Openia better do him when Yasa on his first trial. Openi Janajukum when Yasa on his first trial. Now that Danko Kufa the crack or tribe, you know. When you are 47%, I have to take Openia Lanchamate to concede so many opinion of Fako for the first round of the Danko Kufa to be. I mean, a first round success. Indeed, first round success are penny for the DMP to nim enya. You only can say pay on penny for 54%. If you honor the Cassia pa aba a penny, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia here, 61.4%. Indeed, I think it's all good. It's all good. There's entity media or man nije near Sino. You this year next Sino. I think yeah.
No, zero discussion into Ashanti Region. We are surprised. The margin.
Good. Ashanti Region, not surprised. In fact, I was thinking, say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia win with 70%. Eventually, we knew with I think 55% or so. But margin
Ashanti Region is 65%.
Yes. And America says, now I thought so we know with about 70%.
Okay.
And we are say we 65%. And for me, no, near so na when you know, and na obia ni ho na agye say jama openi ken onye bi kra na bibi. In fact, do baby na ken ho you unless obia no person be kan kra. Na ken ho you power akansi nim. In the Ashanti Region crowd, there's over Kaya. I'm saying research for Nibi. I think info analytics or so.
Yeah, Eka second the baby.
Ebe we ni Ashanti Region. Me kaisa me ne nya nkomo di gba me kase wo e ho no. Ebe ya nko nko hwe ne ye because it doesn't look like Kennedy is going to win Ashanti Region. Yes, now Obebon Homodin there. But let me be some of the constituencies and what he got. In my mind, constituencies maybe no more. Now there was no way it was going to be a complete win. In fact, Omuto in fact, Umuba super delegates against 26. No, me movie, and no the undercover anti Manshada and Nadibia. And specifically key individuals be no more Jumama of any Ken. Anyone more no more Jumama of any Alancha Martin and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the key individuals. No? And the results here, let me say, for all those that are identified to be working for Openi Ken, they actually did the work and they did it very well. Okay. Manso, Nkwanta, Manso.
One and a year, Mama Ken.
Oh, me fast about to let you know you into Betimiaka. And I say,
yeah, about to let you know, yeah.
The member of parliament for Bosomefre was doing very well for Ken and Yamie Nimuni Wayade. Yeah, me can't just say they are after all party no, they understand so be engineering go differ point.
Of course.
I think yeah, but maybe I say the ball will be doing well. And now yeah, Jumama Ken. Emma Nipa Toma Ken Ashanti Region in the super delegates near Deno. Now Okafon media Patema underground and me call ye dear. Now Okafon pa along with Penifo being into their check results no. Who for you Kromwa, over whom baby a Jumani Freeba.
Yeah.
Oshe a year, Bosomefre Honwa, over whom baby a Jumani Freeba. No Akoma Manson Quanta. The member of parliament for Manson Quanta has done very well for Openi Ken.
Manson Quanta. Our problem was as a result of lack of development. Bia, a delegate in the communication to the government.
I'm a person to see the people who stood in for the individual.
Okay.
Because problems, and it be new for you, so for you, for more than Palmer Ken. Problems may be near Soka, and so near Soka for your Ken. As quite the same him say
open, said my man part. All this while he was for Alan, and for the sake of say on losing seat in Tinabia, yeah, open declaration for Kennedy. And I Dr. Baumia, and I said Quachinchina. Masremano nanso mamuna
metim kusu
anteno de no bia nim se ma amene de eden I mean nya de obeye adwuma bia amado Baumia
na nhia so so
nhia so
na menhia
nof menhia nof oh no menhia nof no menhia nof de enye I mean that guy, what is the name? Kwesi Kunadu ene that Alan boy chief no be any say Kwesi Kunadu crowd dey Dr. Baumia kiti. What happened?
Into America say it may not necessarily be because of underdevelopment.
Okay.
Maybe I offer man so no me diabetes like I said protest vote underdevelopment near day. But you can and you will not dwell so much on the underdevelopment when you look at Bosomche, when you look at Bantama, when you look at
Boame was this area Bosomche then educhum when to me America even sir.
Oh, educhum ya dear hono Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 60%.
Yeah.
But the American say the work done by Mpeninfo Anomu ye Juma Diama Ken these constituencies no and Adanedi in the superb performance. Openi Ken enya 386 representing 39.3%.
Yeah.
And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 592 representing 60.2%. And the American say even though Openi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia need Nkunimu there are places that Onumu Juma Ken no. Omubo Juma papa me say Openi Ken itie na say Obema me akonya say menya sa hwehwe mu ni manua. And I can isolate some 10 people across the country or Abasubode Bia on Famom. They did extremely well. Under circumstances that were compelling, they did extremely well.
Bantima, why na wo wa ye adwuma ma Dr. Baumia asenso boache ombo no suso sa.
How do you say, I mean 422 for Baumia and then 404. Difference 18 votes. So, and it is not because Bantama is underdeveloped. I think
Bantama is well developed. That means a MP personality and a figures and so on.
Asenso ye adwuma. Yes. But your adwuma ma ebo aken no ye adwuma sen no. And I say ono no na let's this is the dynamics me do hono mo a ebia ye koy anim no e betimi a ye make say be ye as usual a written analysis of all that has happened and then going into the future what the chances are for the MPP. And some of these things I will pick few data around the areas of interest. Bantamanom or some phenom near the nama reporting a mayor na but off the record, and never be brain a cum. Sabe ohe me non-policy factors no me buy no. Na amount for binom about 13.4% binom so say kaseku anipa ni free no. They are going to consider that one so strongly in making their decision. Binom say I saw some cry nipa ne somono 13.4%. They are going to consider that one strongly as a basis for decision making. And whereas I hear various candidates labasono, say a change so non-policy factors are ma ebinum so take decision. Na ye koye nimuno, and they say ye hu baby as society body hono kochine ye. Sa man forces you imagine issue between Kaseku and Nipaneka and Amanyoku and Nipanedom. Send a bear as over Bantama now so say we MPP stronghold. In fact, young can find Bantama phone crying for more Mabasu say the whole Ghana. Bantama Kwane election 2020 constituency polling stations say what constituency MPP didn't the whole Ghana because it's build the Bantama for Abaso say constituency a friend of Bantama constituency in Kwane constituency a MPP constituency the whole Ghana ha polling station 1 polling station 2 polling station 3 polling station say what constituency ni na MPP ni na Okobota regional 14 constituencies be or more NDC we need all the polling stations that makes up those constituencies. Again, see organ have a for MPP. Eka Bantama. And they can boast and say we are stronghold. And maybe we do I say Bantama for choose between and your party in king. Okay, party akase ye ko all out akoto ma party ni ba mapanoa. Party for you no. And I be no kakasa ben. And of course, the only line between MPP breaking the 8 and not breaking the 8. I say MPP for you now become who Mako, send your party Nakono, and now I be no media bro. Anybody, my brother, breaking the 8 is not going to be possible. So the emotions are non-policy factors in year going forward. But you can't find the interview for year Jumama Ken. Dr. Mamu Baumia in fact, it was not going to be an easy battle. Obi and say it was going to be easy media na Nipa Corona Unim near Oka. For me, that's why a resounding victory for Ken, 65%. New Edibiasu Fire, a very resounding victory for Ken. And other constituencies, so I'm a resounding victory for Dr. Mamu Baumia also. This is the voice of the party, and I think, say,
but the issue of tribal